What's up, Rev fam? Welcome back. Michelle.
Randy.
Owners of Revolutionize here. If you're new here, welcome. If you've been with us all along, thanks for coming back.
Yeah, so we have exciting news. All along, we've always been putting out a lot of live content, video content, whether it's on Instagram, YouTube, Facebook. We're trying to level that up a little bit, get a little more organized, a little more professional, and a little more regular schedule of specific content.
No longer are you just gonna have recipes and our nutrition and fitness related content, but we are looking forward to interviewing some big names in the industry, talking a little bit about what goes on behind the scenes in their lives, and continuing to provide valuable content as well as entertaining content to everybody, our viewers.
Yeah, especially when it comes to the YouTube channel, the likes and subscribes really do help. It helps the algorithm pick up on us, which helps us provide better content. Let's grow this together, guys.
If there's more that you want to see, you tell us and we will deliver.
All the links for all 3 Revolutionize cookbooks are in the YouTube channel description. Please check them out. We're going to be highlighting some recipes from that as well. Thank you. I'm excited to start this new journey together. Let's do it. Let's have fun.
Let's have some fun, guys. Bye.